Makes quite a lot of noise, doesn't it? Oh, okay, just hook that thing onto the... Alright.
Hello!
Wow.
That's what it looks like. Okay, children, this is what it looks like on the inside of a guitar. See?
Whatever, dude. We're never gonna like come back here.
What?
We're never gonna come back here. I don't think it matters. Just leave it there. We don't go to the school. We're never gonna come back. It doesn't
So you
matter.
can't come back to the school. What up there?
Try putting it the other way.
What do you mean?
Like, flip it like that. Yeah. Leave it, see if it works. Holy shit. Wow.
I've never done this to a guitar. Usually I treat guitars with respect. We can make like the outline of the guitar.
That's cool.
It goes like that, and the rest is still on. Wait, so let's go. We can rebuild.